Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are dyeing this 613 hair that I have right here to a red. So let's jump right into this video. Alright, so these are the three colors that I'm using: the ruby red, intense red, and the crimson. I went ahead and boiled some water because I am watercoloring this hair. Starting off, I'm just putting that intense red into the water and mixing that in before I put any of the other colors. Then I'm going to mix in the crimson. I haven't used the other color yet. I'm going to use, so this just right now I have the intense red and the crimson in here. So now I'm just going to test the color with a napkin to see if it's where I want it to be with those two colors mixed. And then I'm going to start dipping the hair. And I just dipped it over and over until I liked the shade of red that it was. Now that I've dipped in the crimson and the intense red, I'm going back in and adding the ruby red, and I'm going to dip it in this color by itself, so that just brightens it up just a little bit, because that intense red made it just a little darker than what I wanted it to be. So I'm going to go back in and dip the closure as well as the bundles in this, and then I'm going to proceed to shampoo and condition the hair. Alright y'all, the hair has been made into a wig and it's all blown out, and this is the color that we got. It's a little deeper on the top, which is what I wanted, and then it goes lighter on the bottom. I really like this color. Y'all say hey to baby Nova in the background. And so now I'm going to just go and curl this hair. I am using my what is it? It's like 3/4. I need to see what size this curling iron is. So I'm just going to curl it and pin curl, and then I'll take the curls out once I put the wig on. so as y'all can see, I'm done pin curling it, making it into a wig, all of that. Now I look crazy. And y'all, yes, this is my like hair shirt, so don't mind that little hole in my shirt, okay? So I'm gonna use my wig dealer spray to lay this down. This spray is actually really good, y'all. It holds for a couple days. I don't keep it on for a couple days, but it holds stronger than the Got to Be glue. Alright, I am laying this down with an elastic band so that it can melt into my skin, y'all. And this is the best way to do it, even with Got to Be, but especially with the wig dealer spray, it helps to tie it down tight, and this elastic band is as tight as it gets. Take these curls out, and it's about to get popping, okay? Look at her, still with that hole in her shirt, okay? I honestly didn't even notice that hole until I came back on the video, and to look at the video, so, oh well. I had those pin curls up for about an hour or two, probably closer to 2, because it took some time to do them, and then I did my makeup, and that took another hour or some change. And now I'm just going to go in and with my wax stick so I can hot comb it and separate my curls. Using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation to make my part more defined. Honestly, when you have different color hair, the part kind of is never super defined unless you go really light with the concealer, and I didn't really want to do that. Just give it a little bit of definition so that you know that it's there. Alright, now let's get into these curls. Yes. Okay, curls. So I'm just going to comb these out on both sides and just shape it to where I need it to be. I am going to go in and cut just a little bit at the front so that it can layer the way that I want it to. But otherwise, I'm just going to finger comb and use this wide tooth comb to get my desired look. I probably hot combed the top of this hair like 5 or 6 times just to get it exactly where I wanted it to be. I just kept going over it and over it because when it's color, you can see anything that's not perfect, okay? So I just kept going over it, adding a little holding spray, going over it again, just getting it where I wanted it to be. I needed it to be perfect, okay? It was my birthday. Ooh, baby, when you take that little wrap off and it's already looking good. All right now. Of course, I'm still have to finesse these baby hairs and just get this perfect, okay? But I honestly just did a lot of shaping the curls, a lot of pulling it back. Just, it took a long time. I'm not gonna lie. It took a long time to get this to where I felt like it was where I needed it to be. But this is the final result, and I loved it. Loved it, loved it. Make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me how you like this look. And make sure your post notifications are on so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. All right, see y'all on the next one.